the first thing that I did is I attached this image that has a different research that was done by a third-party provider that is showing the ticket sales and how they growth, as well as the reviews on IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes to the different movies. The reason I attach that, because it provides great context for the AI to get started, because it has the names of all the movies as well as the years in which they were released and some basic initial information to start the process. And then I used the following prompt. Now, I did this as a deep research project in ChatGPT. Those of you who don't know how to do that, when you are in ChatGPT or in any of the other tools, there is a plus button in the actual chat interface. And when you click on that, one of the options that opens is deep research. And if you click on that, the AI will invest significantly more time in the research and will provide you significantly more detailed results after reviewing many more sources than it just would if you wouldn't click on the deep research option. The same thing exists in Claude and on Grok, etc. On all the different tools, you have the deep research option. So I selected the deep research option, which immediately asks you some follow-up questions. Now, these questions will automatically pop up every time you start a deep research project. But you can do this, and I highly recommend you do. Every time you use AI for something that is not very basic, ask it to ask you question for additional context. And we'll see an example of that later on, because that helps you provide more context to the AI without you knowing exactly what to add. And the AI is helping you providing more context, which in return will give you better answers.